Well, it's about 8 degrees now. Last night got down into the negatives. I think it was like -5 or -10. I haven't started this truck in over a week. Push my keys out here. My other camera's still broken, so we use our race goggles. So this truck, I'll show you on another video the motor, but it's got 250, 200 injectors, electric fuel. Don't you hate that? And the dual Terminator pumps, and this is a cold start. So what I like to do is, even though the wait to start is on, once it goes off, I like to just let it run. So that's just an idiot light anyways. My water and fuel light is not right anyways. So I just haven't covered the end up. It's a little frosty in here. So this is my new motor. I've had it for about a year now. Haven't got it on the dyno yet. When I do, I'll put a video up. Usually when I start it like this, it just blows a shit ton of crap everywhere. So let's see if it'll start. It usually starts like a champ. It starts better than my other truck. And hopefully it's not gelled. The tractor this morning was gelled, so... Oops. Flex plate problems. One of these days I'll do a flex plate. Alright, see what happens here. What actually happened was, when I first did this motor, I had my other transmission in it, and I broke my flex plate, cracked it, so it's sitting in there crooked. And then that starter, I kept using it, so I think I really actually screwed the starter, because the flex plate in there is a billet one, the new one is, so it's not actually a flex plate. That gives me a little bit of trouble every once in a while. So I think my starter is gonna need some help. But there's the dogs, missing one. My other truck was plugged in, and it's got 180, 30% injectors, and it doesn't start as good as this one does. My Super Duty. So if I can get the hood open, I'll just show you a close-up of that motor. God damn it. Ben, what are you doing with that shovel? Custom. So that's the motor. There you are. Alternator, S468 turbo, Terminator dual pumps, electric fuel pressure's looking alright. Plenty of snow in here. Speaking of snow, I haven't got my water meth hooked up yet. Just haven't needed it. The truck runs too good. So it's a little messy in here, but looks like that guy backed off. We're gonna tighten him up. Derby truck looks cold. It's cold. I'm actually surprised it started that good. Shouldn't have started that good. Yeah, everything looks good to me. So, when I get some more videos of this truck, I'll put them up. You guys just look guilty. That other truck I talked about, I'll show you. I already moved it out of here. It's over there. And as you see, the school bus broke down today. Maybe I'll go help them later. But that truck's thawing out. And that's it.